Hello, in this video I am going to explain the region based segmentation techniques where I will show first region growing and then we will see region split and merge. Okay, so first let us consider that this is an image and in this image we want to split or segment this image using the region growing technique. Okay, so what we need to do in this is first assign some seed points. These seed points will be assigned by the users. So we will have to assign some seed points. I take 6 as a seed point. This you can assign any point, but it is better to assign a value that is near to the maximum value of the image. Here you can see that 7 is the maximum value. So you can assign 7 or 6 or 5. Don't take values that are in the middle actually. Don't take values that are 3 or 4 because they might give you a different answer. You can also take a seed point, say 0 or 1, your wish. So here I have considered the seed point as 6. Now the next step is to assign a threshold value. So let us consider that here I am taking a threshold as 3. So what the basic algorithm is, you compare the seed point with the pixels that are around it. Now what you mean by comparison is, what I'll do is 6 minus 7. 6 minus 7 gives you 1. Now 1 is less than the threshold, that is 3. So I will consider that this lies in my region. Say I'll mark it as A. Similarly, this 7 will also lie in my region. Now 6, the difference is 0. So that will definitely be less than 3 and that will also lie. This will also lie. This will also lie. This will also lie. Here 6 minus 4 gives you 2, which is still less than 3. So it will lie in the region. Now the neighbors are done. Now what we need to do is we need to consider the others. The same thing, you compare these with the seed point. So you do 6 minus 5, that is again 1, which is less than the threshold and it belongs to the region. Like this you can see that these pixels belong to the region. See, here you can see now 6 minus 4 is again 2, which will belong. 6 minus 5 is 1, it will again belong, will belong. Now let us come over here. 6 minus 7 is again 1, this will belong, this will belong. 3, here you can see that 6 minus 3 gives you 3, but our condition is we just see that that is not equal to, it should just be less than 3. Now again, this is your assumption. As I have taken 3 as an assumption, what I take here is the values that I want in this region should be less than 3. I don't want them equal to also, so I will not consider this 3 in the region. Again, you can also take the equal to and you can consider this 3. It is totally on your wish, but you need to specify what threshold you are taking. So here I have taken a threshold that is just less than 3, not equal to 3. So this will not lie in my region. This will lie, this will lie, will lie, lie. All these I am comparing with the seed point and I can see that they will lie in my region. So here we can see I have 3, 2, 3, 2. All these when subtracted by 6 give me the answer. When this subtracted I'll get 3, when 2 is subtracted I get 4. So all these are not the greater than or equal to my threshold, so I'm not taking that in the consideration. So this is the region that I get. So my final answer is these pixels belong to one region and these pixels belong to a different region. So I have segmented the image in two regions so that this belongs to one part and this belongs to the other. Now let us see what will happen if I take a threshold, take a seed point that is 3 or 4. As I had mentioned before, I usually don't take a threshold that is be in the middle, that is the middle values. So let us see what happens when I take a threshold, say 4. So here let me take a seed point that is 4. When I take a seed point that is 4, I see for let me keep the same threshold, that is less than 3. What will happen is this will belong to the region, this will belong to the region, this will belong to the region, again this will also belong to my region, this will also belong to my region. Here 0 will not belong to my region. Now 5 minus 4, 6 minus 4, all these give me 2 or 1. So all those will belong to the region. Here 7, 4 minus 3, 7 gives me 3. So this won't belong to my region. Here again I get 7, which will again not belong to my region. Now 4 minus 0, this again won't belong to my region. So this part won't belong to my region. Next, when I consider everything again, I am comparing with the seed point. This 7 won't belong to my region. So what I get is this. So when I see oh, I forgot that. When I see, I get these different parts. I get this as a part, then this shaded region will be a part except this small pixel, and here there's a 4. Oh, I forgot this 0 too. And these 7th also. So this segmentation is not pretty good. Actually this is because I have taken the middle seed point 4. So it is preferred to take a seed point that is from 6 or 7, or else you will land up like this. This is not wrong, but this is not convenient, that is it.